Hello everybody. Today I want to teach you how to make your own histogram using peardeck. So I have something for you. So first you're gonna say how you're feeling, and this is creating a histogram. Now you can watch my video of how I created a histogram at home. If you do not want to do it at home, you can do it here, and I'll show you how. So these are the objectives. You're going to be able to create a histogram. And the objective is that you're going to say, my histogram shows a variation in, and you're going to put in what it shows the variation. Then the first bar has, the second bar has, the third bar has, the fourth bar has. So you have to fill in all these sentences. I'm going to keep on going now. You're going to have these shapes to create a histogram. Now, I'm going to create a histogram based on color. So if it's on color, I will just put this here, and then I'll do this color. Oh, okay, sorry about that. That was a little mistake. So now I have my histogram shows a variation in color, as you can see here, and that is what I completed. Based on color, my histogram. You can do other things. You can do based on shape, based on size, based on anything else that you could think of. So now I'm going to complete the sentences. The first bar has purple. The first bar has the color purple. The second bar has the color orange. The third bar has the color blue. And right here I put the sentence. My histogram shows a variation in color. There you go. My histogram shows a variation in colors. My first bar has the color purple. The second bar has the color orange. The third bar has the color blue. Period, period, period. And that is how you complete it. And now finally, just tell me what you liked about it. So right here, I'm going to write I liked playing. Oh, okay, I changed my mind. I liked organizing the shapes by color. What was easy? What was easy? I think dragging the shapes was easy. What didn't you like? Hmm, I did not like that I worked alone. I wish I would have joined the class. What was hard? I'd say nothing was hard. There you go. And once you're done with that, you make sure the check is there. And that is how you do this activity. Thank you all and good luck. If you have any questions, please contact me.